Hey everyone, welcome back to the IELTS Secrets podcast. I'm Neil and I'm here to help you boost your English skills and ace that IELTS speaking test. Today, we're talking all about team sports. Whether you are on the field or cheering from the stands, there is something special about being part of a team. Let's dive into some common questions and nail those speaking responses. Question 1. Do you play or watch a team sport? Why? Let's break down the speaking template. Because I have been passionate about football and boxing for years, I have always played and watched these sports. For example, in addition to this, it's crucial to express your passion for the sport and provide examples. Here is a Band 9 response.
Do you play or watch a team sport?
Because I have been passionate about football and boxing for years, I have always played and watched these sports. For example, I love the teamwork and camaraderie that comes with being part of a football team. In addition to this, watching professional boxing matches and football competitions not only entertains me, but also teaches me new techniques to improve my game.
Question 2. Why do you think people like playing or watching team sports? Now, let's dissect the speaking template. I believe that those who play or watch team sports are eager to, for example, furthermore, if, then. This question requires you to provide reasons why people enjoy team sports. Here is a Band 9 response.
Why do you think people like playing or watching team sports?
I believe that those who play or watch team sports are eager to experience the sense of camaraderie and excitement that comes with it. For example, being part of a team allows individuals to bond with teammates and share victories together. Furthermore, watching a match with friends or family adds to the enjoyment. If someone loves being part of a community and enjoys the thrill of competition, then team sports offer the perfect outlet for them.
Question 3. What are some of the disadvantages of playing or watching team sports? Let's analyze the speaking template. One of the concerns might be the second potential problem may arise if 1. For example, this question requires you to identify potential drawbacks of team sports. Here is a Band 9 response.
What are some of the disadvantages of playing or watching team sports?
One of the concerns might be the risk of injuries associated with playing team sports, especially contact sports like rugby or American football. The second potential problem may arise if one struggles with the pressure to perform well or to meet the expectations of their team. For example, players might feel stressed if they're not playing as well as they'd hoped.
Question 4. How can we encourage younger people to play more sport? Lastly, let's explore the speaking template. I believe that both parents and teachers could encourage children to play more sports. For instance, when I was a child, however, if, then. This question focuses on strategies to promote sports participation among young people. Here is a Band 9 response.
How can we encourage younger people to play more sport?
I believe that both parents and teachers could encourage children to play more sports. For instance, when I was a child, my parents signed me up for various sports teams and encouraged me to stay active. However, if schools provided more opportunities for sports activities and more organized inter-school tournaments, then more kids would be motivated to participate. Offering rewards or recognition for sporting achievements could also encourage young people to get involved.
And there you have it. Use these speaking templates to structure your responses effectively and boost your IELTS speaking score. Don't forget to practice and submit your audio responses to our website for personalized feedback from our expert instructors. Thanks for tuning in the IELTS Secrets podcast, and until next time, keep practicing and reaching for your goals.